Hi, welcome to Sevat recipe. Today we will be doing lemon rice. Let's get started. Into a pan, I'm adding in gingelly oil. Now I'm adding in roughly pounded garlic and green chili. I'm going to show you how to speed up this cooking in the same pan. See, I'm adding in the cashew nut, mustard seeds, chana dal, urad dal. Now I'm letting the mustard seeds to pop, and then I'm putting in dry chili. Add in the curry leaf, chopped ginger, and mix them well. Add in the turmeric powder, followed by salt, adding in the lemon juice. Mix well and off the flame. Finally, I am adding in the cooked rice. Mix them well and it will be ready to serve. If you like this recipe, please share and subscribe to Sevat recipes, and also click the bell icon to get your notification. Thank you so much.